Hey guys, Michael from Modulus here, and this is a custom built 2204 amp that I've got, which you can see here in the picture. There we go. It's in a red cab. It's got a couple of extra switches on it. That little intro was just as the amp settings, as you can see there, and also had a tube screamer on just to give it that extra push. What this amp has is a bright switch, which has a three-way position on it. Which switches in the bottom position stock 800, and when it goes in the middle position there's no bright switch. So actually, I'll just demonstrate that quickly with this tone. And no bright switch. And then the top position is a plexi bright switch. The plexi bright switch pushes mids, more mids than the traditional bright switch, and really helps the sort of pinch harmonics jump off the fretboard. Right, so three-way bright switch there, and then we also have this two-position switch on this one that switches from stock 800 to what's a quasi 34 mode. Sir 34 is the amp that was used by Slash on a number of recordings after Appetite for Destruction, along with his Silver Jubilee style amp tone as well. So I'll need to change the amp settings for that one, I think, a little bit. Actually, we'll just try that just as is. Tube screamer's off. Right, tube screamer's off, going to 34. So you can hear that pushes the gain up, pushes the brightness and tightness of the whole thing up a little bit, and we'll put the tube screamer on as well, see what that does. Yeah, not really my thing, but we'll explore that a bit more, and I'll go and switch some of those amp settings around. And I'm going to take my tube screamer out the loop because it's a bit noisy as well. Okay, I got rid of the tube screamer, and now I've just got a tuner pedal in place. I've changed the settings on the amp, so I'm in the 34 mode, bright caps in the standard 800 position, which is down at the bottom, and it sounds like this. So as you can hear, that's bright, it's tight, it's aggressive, it's got that kind of cocktoir thing going on there that I think is kind of inherent in a lot of Slash's core guitar sounds. What I'm going to do now is I'll change through this three-position bright switch so you can hear how that affects it. So stock 800 position, like this. Bright switch off, so it'll be a little bit less cocktoir-ish. And then plexi position up the way. couple of extra low mids in that coming through there. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much stock, my sort of favorite sound. One day I'll learn to play that properly. Cool, so that's pretty much that. Let's explore some clean sounds. I'm going to stay plugged into the high gain level, and I'm going to drop back down to the 800, and just to drop some of the gain out of it, let's go. That's horrible tuning. Anyway, let me fix that quickly. I'm going to drop the gain back down to like 2. Right, so we're back in tune, and I've got the amp set up as you can see there just now. Still quite bright, still a bit not that very clean. I'm going to take the middle back a bit just to reduce some of the drive into the power section. I like my clean sounds quite bright. I like them quite sparkly in the top end, but if I switch the bright cap out, that'll make that a lot duller. Bring the treble and presence back up a bit. I don't normally like tones as dark as that, but I'll tell you what, we'll turn the drive up a little bit and see if we can get it distorting a little bit in a bluesy way. So that's the amp. It's like I said, it's based off a 2204 kit that we sell in the Modulus Amplification shop. So if you check out modulusamplification.com and then go to the kits page, you will find a MOD800 2204 kit. These little mod switches that I've got on there, I think I'll probably add those to the shop as an option, so you could get the kit with the faceplate pre-engraved. Another alternative to this kit is the deep fried marsh bar 50 watt kit that's going to be released in the next week or two. that's got even more gain. It also has a 3-position switch here that has a plexi mode as well, so that amp's loads of fun to play. Well, that's it for today, guys, and if you enjoyed that, please click subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll see you later. Cheers.